Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you that how can you transfer the data between your laptop and mobile without using USB cable in the best way. Okay, so first of all you have to open this PC. In that you have to right click and here you can see the add a network location. You have to click here. Okay, then next you will get this window. Okay, so after doing this stuff you have to open your mobile. Okay, so in your mobile open the Play Store and search for FTP server. Okay, after searching you will get this app. I will also paste this app link in the description. Download this app and open it. Make sure you are connected with your laptop using mobile hotspot. So after that you have to start this app and you will get the server URL here. You have to write this thing in your laptop, exactly this thing in your laptop. Okay, FTP colon double slash 192. So friends, you have to write the server URL. Okay, so that was FTP colon 192.168.221.78 colon 2221. Okay, and you have to press the enter. Again press the enter. Here you can write any name like tips Ganga mobile. It is labeling. You can put anything and then press the enter and again press the enter. So friends, as you can see my all the mobile data is showing here. You can copy all these stuffs from here and paste in your laptop, or you can do vice versa. You can also delete the mobile data from the here, but in this video I'm going to give you one tip. By doing this thing the data transfer rate will increase 3 to 4 times more. Open your mobile setting. In that portable hotspot, set a portable hotspot. In that set API band, by default it is 2.4 GHz bands. You have to select 5 GHz bands. By selecting 5 GHz bands, it will increase your data transfer speed up to 2 to 3 times more. Okay, so make sure you have selected 5 GHz bands and try the data transfer. So friends, if you feel that this video make your life much easier, so like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you soon in the next video.